I'm Susan and I'm here to show you some snap jewelries because snap is the newest trend in the market and I would like you familiar with snap jewelries. We have all kinds of the earrings and bracelets, pendants and some rings. So also you can make your own snap jewelries. So what kind of snap jewelry we have, I'll show you now, okay? Now I want to use this is ring bags, and this is snap leather bracelets accessories, and this is 3 design snap buttons, and this is 3/6 color for bracelets, and one is this is 18-inch, this is for 16-inch. Price of difference. This is price is $1.95 and this is only need $1.42. So about ring price except this one was cheaper, $0.74. Another all need $1.2. Size from the 7 to 9 millimeters. Okay. No, 7 to 9 inch. Okay, this is made a mistake. This is the US size 8, 7 to 9. Okay, for size. Okay, and for this these 3 designs, this is for hands with rhinestone hands, and this is with alloy hands, 3 colors, 3 different mixed color, and price only need 1 piece $0.42, and 10 piece minimum order, all is for 10 piece, and we are just purchase. And this is for just a statue cameo, okay. Price only need $0.37. And this ring is for antique brown color, and with multi strippers. Okay. Now when you try this kind of put this one in the ring base or the bracelets, snap. Okay, we use this one, and we'll put this one. This for men's, very good, beautiful. Okay, this for men's, and this also for men's. Very good meaning. Now we try the cameo. Okay. But the shape is different, maybe not suitable. Okay, we use the hand. This is more big. Maybe some girls like. Now we use this bracelets, right color bracelets. Put this one like this, and white color. We choose this hand, shining rhinestone. They are more beautiful. This one more beautiful, and we all just take off like this, and put our hands inside and round. Strands. Okay. Strands like this. You can adjust your size. Okay, good size. So now if you like our just snap jewelries, you can just follow us. We can show you more about such kind of snap jewelries, and easy for us to choose in our website. We have many kind of such kind of jewelries. So if you don't know which one you like, you can contact with us. Okay, we can just introduce. Thank you.